In the world of amateur radio, the choice between a MOSFET and a JFET isn't about which is better overall, but rather which is better for the specific stage of the RF circuit you are building. Typically, JFETs excel at the front end or the receivers, where picking up weak signals is the priority, while MOSFETs dominate in the back end or transmitters where power and gain are needed. Here is a comparison. JFETs are meant for receiver front ends, mixers, and VFOs, variable frequency oscillators. There was a popular VO2 VWN QRP in this region, which I also built about 4 decades back, which had BFW10 as a VFO. MOSFETs are used in power amplifiers and switching applications. JFETs have very low noise figure and are excellent for weak signals, while MOSFETs have higher noise levels, which include 1 over F or 1 over frequency and oxide noise. Input impedance is high for JFET while it is extreme for MOSFET. JFETs handle only small power, that is signal only, while MOSFET can handle very high powers, even up to kilowatts. JFETs are harder to kill with static, while MOSFETs are highly sensitive to electrostatic discharge. Biasing of JFET is in the depletion mode, that means it is normally on, while MOSFETs are mostly in enhancement mode, that is normally off. So when to choose a JFET? JFETs are the quote-unquote clean choice because they don't have an insulated gate layer of oxide. They don't suffer from the same level of 1 over F or flicker noise as MOSFETs. 1 over F or 1F noise, also known as flicker noise or ping noise, is a type of electronic noise where the power of the noise is inversely proportional to the frequency. So it's more at low frequencies. Low noise amplifier LNA. If you are building a preamplifier for a HF or VHF receiver, a JFET like J310 classic choice, it provides high dynamic range and very low noise, ensuring you don't bury weak signals in the noise flow of the transistor itself. In mixers, especially in a passive configuration, JFETs are excellent for high performance mixers because they handle strong out of band signals without distorting. For oscillators and VFOs, JFETs provide excellent frequency stability and low phase noise, which is critical for a steady ham radio signal. When to choose a MOSFET? MOSFETs are the muscle of the radio. They are designed to move a lot of current and provide significant gain. They are used in RF power amplifiers. If you want to boost a signal to 5 watt, 100 watt or even 1500 watt like the legal limit in the United States, you can use MOSFETs, especially LDMOS for modern high power rigs. They are much more efficient at converting DC power into RF than JFETs. Small signal gain applications, dual gate MOSFETs like BF998 are popular in intermediate frequency stages because you can use the second gate for AGC or automatic gain control. Switching applications for transmit receive switching, that's what we mentioned in the tabular column earlier, that is radio being switched from transmit to receive mode. MOSFETs are preferred due to their extreme fast switching speeds, because when you press the PTT, it has to switch. The whole circuit has to switch from transmit to receive and the antenna also has to be switched. In the final verdict, which is better? For receiving, JFET is better. It is quieter, more linear for small signals, and less likely to be destroyed by the static electricity of a long wire antenna. For transmitting, MOSFET is better. It offers the power density and efficiency required to push a signal out into the ionosphere.